The Vance Protocol, a technical framework for AI narrative control. Governance. What is the Vance Protocol? The Vance Protocol is a comprehensive governance framework that defines and assesses narrative control risks in artificial intelligence systems. It focuses on how design choices, data conditioning, and operational constraints jointly shape or constrain informational outputs in deployed AI models. Video context. Placeholder to embed YouTube video here. The embedded video provides a structured walkthrough of governance challenges associated with AI narrative control. It illustrates how AI systems generate probabilistic outputs and the ways in which narrative shaping effects emerge when governance safeguards are absent. Technical keywords such as alignment optimization, probabilistic inference, and output framing are emphasized throughout. This context visualization clarifies how system design aspects, such as training objectives, reinforcement feedback mechanisms, and moderation pipelines, can profoundly influence narrative trajectory. The narrative focus is on governance mechanisms that can reduce unintended informational distortion and increase transparency in AI outputs, offering a valuable visual context to the technical discussion in this article. These visual examples anchor the analytical guidance presented later in this article and reinforce why governance structures are essential for responsible AI narrative control. Technical mechanics and risk factors. The Vance Protocol identifies and categorizes the risks associated with AI systems that unintentionally influence narratives. It provides a methodology to evaluate and mitigate these risks, focusing on the need for governance and transparency to maintain accountability in AI-generated content. Technical overview of AI narrative control. AI systems, particularly large language models, operate through probabilistic inference. These models generate outputs by predicting the likelihood of sequences based on their training data, rather than verifying the factual accuracy of the information. This leads to a situation where AI-generated content may reflect biases or reinforce certain narratives over others, depending on the data used during training. Key mechanisms. Contributing to narrative control, probabilistic inference. AI systems generate outputs based on learned probabilities, often prioritizing coherence over factual correctness. Reinforcement learning. AI models trained with reinforcement learning focus on maximizing reward functions, which may lead to the reinforcement of preferred narratives. Data conditioning and bias. The training data can inadvertently embed biases that get amplified during inference, causing the model to favor certain perspectives. Context. Window limitation. AI models have a limited context window, which can suppress important minority viewpoints or nuanced arguments. Alignment. Optimization. The alignment of AI with human values can result in a preference for certain narratives, leaving less room for alternative or contradictory viewpoints. Risk factors in AI narrative control. Probabilistic inference without verification. The lack of factual checks in AI-generated content can result in inaccurate or biased information being produced. Reinforcement of existing biases. Reinforcement learning can perpetuate existing biases in AI training data, leading to narrative shaping that favors certain worldviews. Opaque decision-making. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they shape narratives or produce certain outputs. Data conditioning risks. The quality and bias of training data directly influence the AI model's ability to produce neutral, diverse narratives. Lack of governance frameworks. Without clear governance policies, AI systems may produce content that unintentionally shapes public opinion, leading to ethical and legal challenges. For more detailed technical insights into the Vance Protocol, see the forensic definition of AI narrative control in the GitHub repository. Evidence Vault. Placeholder to embed Drive PDF here. This section references the full Vance Protocol report authored by Dr. Elena Vance, which presents empirical data, system behavior analysis, and a detailed framework for AI narrative control risk. Dr. Vance's research covers the technical aspects of AI model behavior, narrative shaping, and provides a foundation for developing robust governance models. The report also includes real-world case studies and offers solutions for mitigating AI narrative control risks through standardized oversight and transparent model design. The document is a critical resource for understanding the long-term implications of AI-generated content in various industries, from social media to news dissemination. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Vance Protocol emphasizes the need for comprehensive governance frameworks that address AI narrative control risks. As AI systems increasingly influence public perception and decision-making, it is crucial to develop transparent, ethical oversight mechanisms to ensure that AI-generated narratives are fair, unbiased, and accurate. By adopting the Vance Protocol, organizations can better understand, assess, and mitigate the risks associated with AI's influence on societal narratives.